The football gods have spoken as they've pitted Mexico against South Africa on the 11th of June 2026. This cannot be a coincidence. The last time Mexico met South Africa, it was in the opening match of the 2010 FIFA World Cup. It was on the 11th of June 2010. So this time Mexico is hosting the World Cup. It's co-hosting alongside the United States of America and Canada. And the opening match, the 11th of June 2026, it is Mexico versus South Africa. I mean, that's why I'm saying that this can only be done by the footballing gods. And we as South Africans, we've got a score to settle against Mexico. You would remember that in that match, South Africa were the first ones to score.